Alright, what's good, y'all? This FLYEERRKicks. Just got through security at the airport. I'm about to head to Chicago for All-Star Weekend. Hopefully I cop some stuff, man. I already missed out on the reverse breads. I missed out on the pack. Hopefully I can come up on some special pop-up events. Maybe I can catch a restock or something. I'm not supposed to have some Travis Scott stuff, but you know, we'll see. Plan is I already got the Red Chicago 3 secure. Shout out to my bro. Y'all gonna meet him a little later on in the weekend for sure. But like I said, I already got those knocked out. Definitely planning on grabbing the UNC to Chicago ones, the women's pair. And definitely looking for the off-white 5s. And like I said, I'm gonna try to secure that pack as well. But we'll see, man. It's like 9 o'clock right now. Flight's supposed to be boarding in a few minutes. So I'm just sitting here. We're really walking around waiting on the flight to board. But once that happens, man, I probably won't record as much, but I'll definitely record when we land. It's my first time going to Chicago, so I'll probably shoot that ride to our Airbnb and get some footage of the train or however we get there. But y'all stay posted with me. Hopefully I have a safe flight, man. Y'all pray for me. See y'all in a minute, man. All right, what's good, y'all? Finally made it to the crib, to the Airbnb. You feel me? Got a couple of quick unboxings before I take my ass to sleep. First one is from RSVP Gallery. Jordan 3s. If y'all seen my review earlier this week, y'all already know what these are. This time I got my white laces, the Nike snub me on, and we got the Chicago exclusive pair. Pretty much the exact same shoe. I don't really see any differences in these joints except for the shy. I know the box tag, I think on the other one said it was, I think it said it was infrared or something, and these are varsity red. No, the other one said fire red, and the ones with Chicago on them say varsity red. So I mean, but I don't really see any difference in the colors or anything like that, but that's the only difference I see as far as the box. So, you feel me? Finally got these Chicago joints. I got these out the way. Hopefully find some more dubs before the weekend is over, and you know, try to come up on stuff. Definitely looking for those off-whites, like I said earlier. I'm gonna try to come up on this pack in my size, hopefully, but we'll get to that a little later. Boom, man. This is the Airship 85 New Beginnings pack. You feel me? This is not my size, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is a size 8. Shout out to my boy Mike for securing these pairs. You feel me? Big old box, 84, 85 on the inside. The Jordans on one side, Airships on the other. Airship book. All the stuff about the Airship. Which is originally a PE from that Jordan wore before he had the ones. He wore these Airships, which I'm not really too pressed over. You know, the ones are the winners out of the pack, but these are some solid quality. You good, bro? These are some solid quality, bro. Yeah, bro, real quick before I go to sleep. Airships, man. Not even Griffey, was walking in Griffey. And here we go with the red and white New Beginnings pair. These are fire. I'm over these really, but these are. We'll walk in bearing gifts, man. walk in bearing gifts. got this new beginnings pack. Hopefully I can find a pair and not pay $1,000. You feel me? But if I don't, I'm not really tripping. The only shoe I'm really looking for this weekend is some off-white 5s. I got the 3s. Yeah. Well, hey man, we're walking in with good news, man. So we gonna see. I'm about to go ahead and call it a night, man. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'll try to film some stuff when we go pick up these UNC to Chicago's and all that stuff, man. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. Y'all rock with me. Peace.